This video will show you how to import your Mach 4 vision profile into Mach 4 Industrial. First, we will need to open your Mach 4 Industrial Loader shortcut. This shortcut will show you a list of your current profiles you have available. First, you will need to click Import Profile. Your vision profile may be on your desktop or in your Downloads folder. Click on the vision profile once and then click Open. Next, you will have the option to change the name to whatever you'd like. With the file imported, we can just click OK and it will open up the profile in Mach 4 Industrial. Now that we have our vision profile open, we still need to enable the webcam. First, we will need to go into Operator and then Edit Screen. The camera window has been placed right in the center. Just click it once to open up the Properties menu for it. Fourth, from the bottom, we will see the option to access our local camera. Click on the white box and you will see a down arrow. Click on the down arrow and you should see your web camera. Click on the web camera and it will enable it. Next, we will need to go into Operator and then Edit Screen. This will leave the screen editor, but if you try and exit, it will prompt you to save. Go ahead and click Yes, so that way your camera still stays enabled. Now that your camera is enabled, rehome your machine. Now jog your camera near to a circle or a hole that you would like to find the center of. Go ahead and click Manual Vision Enable. You may need to adjust the range or the size or vision to be able to see the circle or hole that you wish to find the center of. Once vision sees the hole or circle that you want to find the center of, click Start Auto Find. This will automatically jog your machine to the center of that circle or hole.